Hello everyone and welcome to the CC Assembly for the week of the 25th of January 2021. And we know the Grange CC way. We want to have a great caring attitude. We want all of us to be trying our best, always learning, especially from our mistakes. We're going for improvement and progress. We want to use our learning to help us to make great choices in our lives, and we want to never give up. That's what a CC learner is. We know physical strength is important. Healthy exercise, eat well, helps you to overcome physical challenges and to live well, but the real strength comes from deep inside you, your best, your character, and that can help you to overcome any challenge. It helps you to solve any problem that you face. And that's why we say character strength is so important, because it's all about problem solving. And when you have a problem, you just say, which character strength am I going to need? Which one am I going to use? And that's the Grange CC way, which is all about being confident, looking out for yourself, and considerate, looking out for others. That's a philosophy for life, makes the world a better place. Stars of the week this week, bouncing in with gold is Hasti, well done, and Vladut, and Yusuf M, and Maria A, and Zakira, Fiona, Natalia, Pasha, Samina, Daim, Anna Maria, Ashvini, Maya, and all of those fantastic stars of the week. And in the Grange House of Water, an amazing 4,249 points. Olivia, Thea, Alex B, Aini, Maya, Shahad, Ronak, Zakaria, Ryan, Amar M, Joseph, Alana, Sami A, Karunyan, Hodan, Irfan, Louisa, Delia, Bassett, Atif, Semina, Dennis B, Amy, Ashvini, and flying in is Dima, Natalia, Yusuf M, and the swivel goes to Khalif with 88 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Fire, 3,932 points. Yaqub, Emeld, Tiago, Ishan, Yusuf, Hira, Dana, Ramanullah, Faiza, Gala, Sebastian, Rihan, Joshua, Leo, Avi, Ruel, Hasunat, Eric, Maria V, Pasha, Jashwin, Daim, Sarah D, Laurentio, Amar N, Vienna, Yasmin, Jalal, Kamani, Branshika, flying in is Abdirahman, Dolly, Rocky Sun with 54, Aaron 59, and the swivel this week goes to Nia with a brilliant 61 points. Well done, Nia. Grange House of Air, 3,696 points. Vitesh, Shamina, Daria, Ramla, Fahad, Matar, Fiona, Hasnain, Tamid, Mohammed K, Adrian W, Diana, Lawrence, Sophia Z, Yaksh, Daria, Martina, Walid, Hasti, Adna, Adrian R, Ibrahim, Farah, Ananya, and flying in is Sophie with 50, Nikki with 56, Anna Maria with 63, and the swivel goes to Tiana with 65. Well done. Grange House of Earth, incredible. I think this is a record, 4,404 points in a week. Ronessa, Aisha, Mansur, Zara M, Sharia, Abdul Kadir, David, Shema, Vladut, Ansh, Louisa, Tanashiri, Vanessa, Asiya, Jade, Renea, Afsa, Catalina, Justino, Leland, Shifa, Afshin, Zakira, and flying is Jacob with 42, Hussein A with 48, Sanuja with 50, Nahara with 54, Sami AM with 54, and the swivel goes to Maria A with 64. Brilliant work. So all of us this week, the Grange community, 16,281 points, which is again a record and absolutely brilliant. And my classy class is Holmes class, well done, 780 points. Lister class, just ahead of Holmes class with 785 points, which is brilliant. And Beckham class with 837 points, but the swivel goes to the wonderful Ennis class with 938 points, which is brilliant. So in autumn, we got 120,000 points. We set ourselves a target for this half term of 50,000 points. We're already at 33,978 points, which means we're going to smash it. We're going to make it, which is fantastic. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeers. You know that we're on target to get some jungle pot plants, because research shows that they help to improve the learning, and we do our research at Grange. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. It's been a brilliant week, so enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.